Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. I am Alfa Zarikadi. Today in this video I am showing that how to enable fingerprint app lock in your device. And there is no need of any fingerprint sensors in your device. And you can enable this trick in your any Android devices. And no one can access any application without your fingerprints. Without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to the video. And at first you want to download a application and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that you can see an interface like this fingerprint app lock, and here you want to create a pin or a pattern. You can also create in the both of the types, like creating a pin code or creating a pattern. And here you can select which you want, and here I am selecting create a pin, and here you can also select the pattern also. And I am creating my own pin, and you want to create your own pin by using this pin keypads. And after that you can see pin saved, and the next option is you want to choose your Google account, and here I am selecting one of my Google account and just clicking OK, and this is for using the recovery Gmail. And the next is you want to recovery your question, set recovery question and answer. Here I am typing my question like my name, and here is my question. And after that here I am writing my answer like my answer alphas, and this is my second question verification answer. And after just click save, and after that you can see app lock needs permission, and this is the step 2 method of this video. And after that you want to click go to settings option by this application, and you will directly enter to your settings, and here you can see usage data access, and you want to enable app lock option by clicking this. And once again go back to the application, and you can see an interface like this: Chrome, Facebook, Gmail, Google Play Store, Hangouts, and etc etc. All the application will appear by this application and the app lock. And you want to enable this, or you want to click the lock button for locking your application, and here I am selecting one of my application for security. And after all the 6 application has been locked, and now let's see how to enable fingerprint in this app lock. And at first you want to select the menu option in this application, and you want to go to settings option, and after selecting the settings option you can see application lock type fingerprint unlock, and here you want to enable this fingerprint unlock by clicking, and after that you want to select enable, and our fingerprint has been enabled. And just wait for 1 or 2 seconds, and after that you can see try it yourself. Here you want to once tap and hold finger for 1 vibration or 1 second on the fingerprint scanner to unlock. And here I am trying with my finger to this scanner, and you want to place your finger to this scanner by using this way. Like this. And our fingerprint scanner has been enabled, and now let's check the app is working or not. And now let's check the app is working or not. And I have locked my Play Store application with my finger, and now let's open my Play Store. And here you can see use fingerprint to unlock, and here I want to place my fingerprint to unlock this device. And if finger is not working, you can also try this by the keyboard option to creating or entering your pin, and you can also go inside or you can access. And here I am selecting my fingerprint, and without my fingerprint no one can access my device. And you can also enable the intro or Google Play Store with a 1% as snooping option also available by clicking here. If you want, no one can access your phone without your fingerprint. If someone is trying to unlock your device or unlock the application, the phone or the device will automatically turns on your camera and Snooper's photo will be directly goes to your gallery. And this is 100% working. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.